Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Randy Unique, and I'm back with another video. Today is going to be the first day of Vlogmas, so let's get into it. So today I'm going to show you how to save some coins, girl. I'm going to do these nails at home, okay? So first thing first, we're going to start off by putting your nail tips on, and these can be found at Walmart, Target, and on Amazon. Next, we're going to go in with our nail clippers. So you can't use fingernail clippers. However, I do prefer to use this because it gives you a clean, nice cut. So when you go back in to file, it is a breeze. So this step here is optional. I just prefer to do it so that when I'm dipping my nail, I won't feel where the end of my nail meets my nail bed. So I file it flat so that when I start dipping, I cannot feel it, girl. So now it's time to file my nails. So the shape I was going for was basically like a super square look. Super square was the shape I was going for. Now I have my desired shape. I am going to go in with step number 1, which is my bond. And the good thing with this brand that I'm using, it has step 1 through 4 on it. So on the bottle, they have step 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see on the bottle that I just showed you guys. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the powder polish for the dip system, which helps the powder stick to the nail once you use the gel. Now you do not have to use gel. It is another form of adhesive. It comes with the brand that I'm using. However, I like to use the gel polish just because when it comes to soaking it off, girl, it doesn't take all fucking day. You can soak this stuff off in about 20 minutes and be done. So I'm going to apply that on each finger, dip each finger, and after I finish, I'm going to make sure that I stick it under my light so that it can dry. Next, I'm going to go in with my actual dip color. And the dip color that I'm using is like a baby pink cotton candy-ish. So I'm going to use that gel polish once again. I'm going to re-dip. And I'm also going to put it under the light like I stated the first time. And you're going to do this step 2 times. You're going to put the color powder on there 2 times and stick it under the light each time, okay? Now I'm going to go in with my second coat of dip powder, and after this I'm going to top it off with the clear powder, and we're going to set it with some gel polish, put it under light, and we're going to move on to the next step. So now I'm going to go in with my Seal Protect nail polish. You have to use this polish, okay? Because if you don't use it, when you go in to file your nails, the powder is going to move everywhere and it's going to be messed up. And you're basically going to have to start over. Start all the way over to redo your nails. So now I'm going to go in and file my nail to make sure I have my shape perfectly perfect for me, the way I would like it. After that, I'm going to go in with my nail buffer, which is going to make sure there's no lumps and clumps in my nails. It's going to make it super flat, like it's going to look basically professional like the nail shop does, okay? That's basically what it's going to do. Now I'm going to go in with my drill, and the tip I have on is basically a filing tip, and I'm going to go around my cuticles and make sure my nail is basically super flat. I don't want thick nail. I want it to be flat, so I just went in with the drill. Now I use this particular piece to go around my cuticles to make sure that the powder is not sticking to my skin. I do not like that. And now I'm just gonna go in with the filer. I want to make sure my shape is basically perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna use that top coat. It's no wipe. You don't have to use alcohol to clean it off. We're gonna go with 2 coats of this. Put it under the light. Last, we're going to use cuticle oil, and girl, you are set to go. Enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me nice comments.